Welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred. I am Chef Fred, your Pampered Chef consultant. I'd like to welcome you to today's episode. In today's episode, I am going to show you step by step how to make this pork loin in the Deluxe Air Fryer. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're glad to have you. We think of you as family, and we're glad that you're here today. If you're returning, your family, and we thank you for coming back, because it is the reason that I do this is for you guys. So I appreciate you coming and spending a few minutes with me today. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to put a quarter cup, of olive oil in my bowl here. Okay. Then we're going to take a tablespoon of parsley flakes. And what we're doing is we're making a marinade to go on the pork loin. Next, I have onion powder. This is a teaspoon of onion powder. This is a teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, if that's a little too much salt for you, you can cut back on that. Next and finally, we've got a 1/4 cup of black pepper. A marinade that we just made that we're going to put on the pork loin. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut this bag. Cut that and open our pork loin. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our spit that we have and we're going to put it down in the center of the pork loin, hold it in the bag and pushing it all the way to the other side. And then I've got a pan here. What we can do is cut this open a little bit more. We're going to take our pork loin out. Okay, now we've got our pork loin on the metal spit here. You can see that. And what we're going to take the Pampered Chef brush and we're going to paint our pork loin. I want to get it all over there. And then we're going to just turn this over and get the other side. Like this. We're going to use this basting brush and just get it all over it. Just like this. Then we've got a little bit more, so we want to get it all on there. That's going to make it delicious. All right. Now, the next step, wipe my hand off a little bit here. The next step is we're going to put the forks onto the metal rod. Alright, I finally got it on there. Put it on here now. So get this so we can see how I do it. I'm going to put this in on the left side first. Then put that one on. Now we've got the drip tray in here, and you want to just don't put any foil in it. They don't recommend putting foil in it. So you're just going to leave the drip tray in there. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it to rotisserie. We're going to set it for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And then we're going to let it go. So we'll be back in 25 minutes. So while that is cooking in the air fryer, I just want to tell you a little bit about the air fryer and give you some facts about it. Now the air fryer, when you use the air fryer, is a healthier way of cooking because you're not deep frying in oil. So it is a better and healthier way of cooking. It is quick and efficient. It cooks in less time than it would, say, in a conventional oven. It's got that, and then it's versatile. You can use that for bacon, rotisserie, dehydrate, air fry. It has a lot of features on that Deluxe Air Fryer. Also, you can adjust the time and the temperature. It's got some preset features where you can preset it for time and temperature for certain things, but it has also a custom setting, so you can adjust the temperature and the time. It has a large capacity. As you can see that it's you can get 2 racks of food in there. It has a food basket that you've seen. It has a large capacity, and also the rotisserie is large capacity. So the question of the day that I have for you is, what do you cook in your air fryer? What do you like the best in your air fryer? Leave it down in the comments below of what your favorite thing to cook in the air fryer is. And we will be right back when it comes out of the air fryer. All right, let's check the temperature. Okay, it's reading at 119, so we've got some more cooking to do. So I'm going to put it on rotisserie. Let's do another 20 minutes. Let's see how that does. Okay guys, let's see what the temperature is now. Yeah, it's getting like it's getting done. $169, 170. That's where we want it. All right. So what we do is we take our little retrieval tool here. And we get it out. We'll put it on the cutting board. All right, now here it is on the cutting board. So we're going to let it rest for a few minutes and let it cool down so we can take it off of the spit and we can slice it up. Okay, now we've let it cool. Let's see if we can get it off of here. Use just a little. Now I'm going to use the 8-inch coated chef's knife. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Yep, that looks great, guys. Sliced up Let's take a look at it. Looks gorgeous. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can be alerted to all our new videos. Hit the like button, and this is Chef Fred saying thanks for joining me today. I'm honored that you are here with us, and we'll see you in the next video. This is Chef Fred saying bye for now, guys. Happy cooking.